Why are you
Don't spit it out, Mathis. That's nasty.
I put my middle finger at you.
I'll put my middle finger at you.
I'm so short I can't see over the cabinet.
Hey!
Mathis.
Call Rashida fast.
Not equals, no.
Give her chips back. Where's her chips?
On the counter. She's too fat to get up and get them herself.
Rashida, shut up. Your head is bigger than everybody else's.
You go over there eating the orange. You just got them eating a bag of chips. Who fat?
Oh,
Rashida, she still is because she still eating 2 bags of chips at once.
Yeah. This is what
Robert!
Shut up.
Oh, yeah, that is her.
Who you fat?
Robert.
Who you call me fat?
Who you calling fat?
Why you just jump on the counter?
Because niggas got to drink.
You can't pour it yourself.
What she got to do? Pour it herself. If I
Don't ask someone else to drink. Just pour that shit out.
You can't pour yourself, but what is she doing?
Why is she getting punched?
I don't know.
Mom says I can.
Oh, shit.
Ooh.
Shit it on. Y'all ancestors was a no. Y'all ancestors was a no.
Where's the chair? I want to stay on a chair.
Get the hell.
Ow!
Can I have a different kind of chip, please? No. No.
Ah,
Get your ass in.
stop,
Take your
Mathis.
then.
why?
Yeah. Go Mr. Boots my keys.
Robert,
What did he say?
shut up.
Don't knock y'all boots slide living.
Here's her, Mr. Boots my keys. It was sitting right there.
Cause she's throwing her money all over the place. Here.
Can I have a different Jake come today?
No more chips.
No.
We'll only have chips we have left.
Dad, Jake's not coming in.
Why did Jack and Jill go up there?
You're not gonna get
Oh,
anything
Donna.
special.
Those aren't chips. Those are little puffy thingy-majiggies and pretzels.
They're not chips. They're
Cheetos
puffies.
and Cheez-Its aren't chips. Those are potato chips and barbecue chips. And they go.